Макалаира. Здесь и могут свайсы.
Hello again. My name is Yura. I'm a publisher of the Corrugated Industry magazine. It's my pleasure to be here, and I'd like to thank the organizers, the READ exhibition. Also, I'd like to thank Remem Shanghai Dasong, Mr. President, and Peter, who has been performing the presentation. My presentation is how to successfully sell machinery to Russia and former Soviet Union countries. Are you here? Are you here?
Yes.
Could you please raise up your right hand? Thank you so much. It's a good sign for me that we are together, we are switched on. Thank you. For whom this presentation is? First of all, if you are making machinery, it's for you. Second, if you are an agent, it's for you too. If you are a media agent who is targeted to help you sell your machinery to former Soviet Union, it's for you too. So I hope there is the target audience sitting here. All the people who want to sell machinery to Russia and former Soviet Union countries. Okay? And maybe you may ask, what is Russia? And what are other countries? Russia is a country where there are 140 million of population. Its GDP is 2096 billions of dollars. It's everything visible here. And total, the population of former Soviet Union is 275 millions of people. Its GDP is twice less than in China. So what does it mean for us? That Russia and former Soviet Union countries is a huge market. And one more hint. In Russia and in former Soviet Union countries, there is no manufacture production. No manufacture production of machines for corrugated industry. I would like to show you the recipe, how some well-known brands are really and successfully selling their machinery to Russia. Let's see the example. Bob's, you know this. They have in Russia a representative office. They are originated from Switzerland and they are advertising for this market. It's my pleasure to say that yes, they are advertising in our magazine. And my magazine is #1 and the only one which is writing for corrugators from the former Soviet Union. No other magazines that are writing for corrugators in Russian language. BHS, they also have a representative office. JS Machines, they have a representative office, all they are advertising with us. Other companies like TCY from Taiwan, Meiguan, Jinshan, Kaituo, Dongfang, Mosca, Minda, Duker, they are from China and from Germany. They have sales agent or distributors. See, nobody from them is not selling directly. So, you know, what is the suggestion for you? If you want to sell there, you need to find reliable business partner, sales agent or distributor. Unless you have sales agent or distributor, my vision, you will sell nothing. Maybe it's hard to hear, but from my point of view, it's the truth. What are the key elements how to successfully sell there? You've got the right product and just price. And I believe that Chinese and Taiwan manufacturers can compete in terms of price with European or American companies. You've got to have sales agent or distributor. As you have mentioned, it's very important to have spare parts and service solutions. who will pay money without spare parts and service solutions? They will not. And fourth, you've got to deliver clever promotion. Because if they see your brand for the first time, why should they trust their money to your brand if they don't know anything about it? So you've got to make efforts to advertise you and to promote you properly in the language of those markets that you would like to operate. And here I would mention that if you have some use, let's say we have installed this machinery here, we have some adaptation, innovation, we are pleased to say to our readers are box makers, what is going in the world, okay? It's for free. Publishing news is for free in our magazine. Also, global companies are treating their consumers with useful information. Because imagine, the magazine, if the magazine consists only of advertising, what would you do with this magazine? Okay, one advertising, second advertising, third advertising, only advertising. Okay, too much advertising. Throw it away. The magazine is giving useful information for box makers. That's why the advertising, which is in the magazine with useful information, works. So, clever promotion is profiling your company. Second, in June, in 2 months, in Moscow, in Russia, there will be Rosupak. It's the biggest expo for box makers in former Soviet Union. So if you really want to sell your machinery to Russia, it's the high time you just to be there. And say, guys, I've got very good machinery. Who wants to sell my machinery here in Russia? That's all. Catch the agent right there. And then, after you have the agent, you can sell. Without an agent, you cannot sell there. And I would honestly tell you, if you pay me for advertising, but you don't have an agent, good agent, you will spoil your money. I will tell you the truth. Find good agent, and then you will sell your machinery to those countries. Could you please raise up your left hand? Thank you so much. And these men have not succeeded with selling because, from my point of view, he has no agent. He just calling from abroad and sending emails and saying, guys, would you like to buy? And suggest what is the answer? No. No. No promotion, no spare parts and service solutions, no sales. Please don't do like him. It's not the right example. And as I have mentioned, these guys boast TCY, SR Park, Asahi, Bachmüller, Friese, BHS, Renova, Van Leyen, Fosber, MEP, Koshen, Dongfang, Kaito, Jinchan, Meiguan, Max Dura, Minway, and RMM Dasai Shanghai Dassault are selling to Russia. Mr. Peter allowed me to show you the advertising they're placing in our magazine. And they're really selling. And the truth, how it works. They found an agent, they're putting in advertising in our magazine, and they're selling, selling, selling. Thank you. Sessia. If you please allow me to introduce to your attention my colleague, Miss Ola. She is with a photo camera. She has some examples of the magazine, the media kit, which is in English for your convenience. please don't hesitate to ask Miss Ola or me or Miss Young. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.